Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important questions for the entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, King George Medical University, KGMU, JIPMER Pondicherry, Christian Medical College Vellore, IIPH, Nibhans Bangalore, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, etc. And students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, MBA, Health, Hospital Management and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first topic is primitive medicine. So primitive means connected with a very early stage in the development of humans or animals. So in Hindi, primitive means prachin. So primitive medicine is topic. Here first question is Samuel Hahnemann is referred to as founding father of. Samuel Hahnemann is referred to as founding father of. Options are A. Ayurveda, B. Allopathy, C. Homeopathy, D. Yoga. Correct answer is option C. Homeopathy. So Samuel Hahnemann is referred to as founding father of homeopathy. Samuel Hahnemann is referred to as founding father of homeopathy. Next question is match the following authors and their books. So here name of the authors are given and their books information. So A, B, C and first, second, third. So authors name are A. Sushruta, B. Avicenna, C. Hippocrates and books names are first Airs, Waters and Places, second Sushruta Samhita, third Canon of Medicine. So correct match with Sushruta. Correct match is with Sushruta Samhita. And correct match of Avicenna is with Canon of Medicine and correct match of Hippocrates is with Airs, Water and Places. So Sushruta has written the book Sushruta Samhita. So author of the book Sushruta Samhita is Sushruta and author of the book Canon of Medicine is Avicenna and author of the book Airs, Water and Places is Hippocrates. Next question is who is known as first true epidemiologist in history of medicine? Who is known as first true epidemiologist in history of medicine? Options are A. John Snow, B. Hippocrates, C. James Lind, D. Joseph Lister. Correct answer is option B. Hippocrates. So question is who is known as first true epidemiologist in history of medicine? Correct answer is Hippocrates. So Hippocrates is known as first true epidemiologist in history of medicine. Hippocrates is known as first true epidemiologist in history of medicine. Next question is match the following. Match the following. So A. Sushruta, B. Dhanvantari, C. Hippocrates, D. Cholera. And first is Hindu god of medicine, second father of public health, third father of medicine, fourth father of Indian surgery. So correct match of Sushruta is with option 4, that is father of Indian surgery. So Sushruta is known as father of Indian surgery and correct match of option B, that is Dhanvantari, is with first, that is Hindu god of medicine. So Dhanvantari is known as Hindu god of medicine and correct match of option third is with option C is with third, that is Hippocrates is known as father of medicine and correct match of cholera. Option D is with second, that is father of public health. So Sushruta is known as father of Indian surgery. Dhanvantari is known as Hindu god of medicine Hippocrates is known as father of medicine and cholera is known as father of public health. Next question is which medicine claims to be the world's first organized body of medical knowledge? So which medicine claims to be the world's first organized body of medical knowledge? Options are A. Indian, B. Chinese, C. Egyptian, D. Mesopotamian. Correct answer is option B. Chinese. So Chinese medicine claims to be the world's first organized body of medical knowledge. Chinese medicine claims to be the world's first organized body of medical knowledge. Next topic is scientific medicine. So name of the topic is scientific medicine. First question is here, match the following. So option A is Potankopher, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Aristotle. And first is spontaneous generation theory, second germ theory of disease, third multifactorial causation of disease. So correct match is A, that is Potankopher is with multifactorial causation of disease, and correct match of option B, that is Louis Pasteur is with germ theory of disease, and correct match of option C, that is Aristotle is with spontaneous generation theory. So Potankopfer is related with multifactorial causation of disease, Louis Pasteur is related with germ theory of disease, Aristotle is related with spontaneous generation theory. So here next question is match the following pioneers of preventive medicine and their achievement. Match the following pioneers of preventive medicine and their achievement. So A is Edward Jenner, B James Lind, and C Walter Reed. So these are the pioneers of preventive medicine and achievement. First is transmission of yellow fever, second vaccination against smallpox, third prevention of scurvy. So option A, that is Edward Jenner, is achievement of Edward Jenner is vaccination against smallpox. So achievement of Edward Jenner is vaccination against smallpox, and achievement of James Lind is prevention of scurvy, and achievement of Walter Reed is transmission of yellow fever. So Edward Jenner achievement is vaccination against smallpox, James Lind achievement is prevention of scurvy, Walter Reed achievement is transmission of yellow fever. Next question is which of the following is known as father of public health? Which of the following is known as father of public health? Options are A tuberculosis, B cholera, C John Snow, D Louis Pasteur. So correct answer is option B cholera. So cholera is known as father of public health. Cholera is known as father of public health. Next question is smallpox vaccine was introduced by. Smallpox vaccine was introduced by. Options are A Paul Ehrlich, B Robert Koch, C Louis Pasteur, D Edward Jenner. So correct answer is option D Edward Jenner. Smallpox vaccine was introduced by. Correct answer is Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner introduced smallpox vaccine. Smallpox vaccine was introduced by Edward Jenner. Next question is malarial parasite was discovered by. Malarial parasite was discovered by. Options are A Robert Koch, B Louis Pasteur, C Charles Alphonse Lebrun, D Ronald Ross. Correct answer is option C Charles Alphonse Lebrun. So malarial parasite was discovered by Charles Alphonse Lebrun. Malarial parasite was discovered by Charles Alphonse Lebrun. So in this video, information regarding very important questions for entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like COT PG, AIMS, ICMR, KGMU, JIPMER, CMC Vellore, IIPH, NIMHANS, Lucknow University, Pune University has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other courses entrance exams And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.